In this video, we'll see how to work with reference functions. The first function is choose. We have a table with 5 types of cars, their color code, their color, and number of doors. In column G, we will use choose function to bring the color based on color code, and for this we will define some values. So choose, press tab, open the bracket. The index number will be in fact our color code, and then we will start to define the values. All of the value should be on the quote. So value 1, let's say it's white. Value 2 will be black. Value 3 will be red on quote, and then value 4 will be blue. Now we close the brackets and hit enter. So as you can see, the function select for this row based on color code 4, because we define on the 4 value blue. If we copy the formula, we'll have the color brings in our column. So choose function, it's a function that get a value from a list based on position, and we define these positions. The VLOOKUP function, it's roughly the same thing, but it uses another source. For example, to bring the color based on this code, we will use the second sheet. So VLOOKUP color code, and then we bring the second color, the second column, and we obtain the same result as choose function. On the index function, we get a value in the list or table based on location. That means, for example, index, I want to select the range, and this is my range, so from A2 to D6. Row number will be, let's say we are looking on type C, so we have row number 3 and column number 4, because I want to find the number of doors for type C. I will close the brackets, hit enter, and this is the number bring by the formula. So index each time will bring the value that we give in terms of rows and columns. Pay attention that the rows are basically starting with the second row, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till the 6th row, and also for columns we have 4 columns, but first one this time it's A. So we took from this range row 3 and column 4, and we obtain 5 doors for type C. If we copy the formula, we'll obtain the same thing, but the index will be different. You see that Excel change our row based on range. The match function will show me the number of a type from our list. In fact, it's the position of an item in an array. For example, we want to see match, press tab, the number of position for type D, and then we select the array because it's here. The same, we will start with number 1 from the second row, not from the title. We close the brackets and hit enter, and we find out that 4 is the position for type D in our array.